Welcome back. Another big story that we're tracking this morning is from Maharashtra. The question is who will become the next mayor of Mumbai. Now, Mumbai mayor fight has intensified. Power sharing formula is on the cards. Shinde Sena has pushed for a 50-50 mayoral deal. They've said that they have pushed for power sharing as well as a deal in BMC is concerned. Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena has demanded the mayor's post for 2.5 years, pushing for a 50-50 power sharing formula with the BJP in BMC. Now, despite emerging as a single largest party with 79 seats in Mumbai, the BJP falls short of 114-seat majority mark required to form the civic government. With Shiv Sena Shinde faction holding 29 seats, the BJP will need a Shiv Sena Shinde faction to support to cross this majority mark. And that is why we're learning that Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena has demanded the mayor's post for 2.5 years is what we are learning. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Rucha, who has been tracking all the details. Rucha, take us through the demand that is coming from Shiv Sena Shinde faction, and also tell us about the 50-50 mayor formula that he has suggested.
Well, ever since the election results were out, the newly elected BMC corporators of all the parties are taking rallies, the victory rallies across Mumbai. But it is Shiv Sena party who has kept its 29 corporators in a 5-star hotel. I'm standing right outside the Taj Lands End Hotel in Bandra, and here all the 29 corporators are kept only because Eknath Shinde does not want even one of them leaving the party, because it is very crucial for Eknath Shinde to keep all the 29 corporators loyal to the party, because we saw the similar kind of situation where it was a demand of 2.5 years of chief minister position by Uddhav Thackeray, and Bharatiya Janata Party had clashes over that, and after that only we saw how the election, the politics of Maharashtra entirely changed. And now also we are seeing it is Eknath Shinde faction which is expecting 50-50 formula to be implemented for the BMC mayor, and they also want their mayor to become to be there on the position, because it is Mumbai, and Mumbai has elected 29 of Eknath Shinde's corporators. He is expecting that they will be getting 2.5 years for their corporator to be a mayor of Mumbai. And the discussions are underway. It is very difficult to say whether the Bharatiya Janata Party has positively reacted on it or not, but the discussions are underway, and before anything happens, it is very important to keep all the corporators, to keep watch on all the corporators, that they do not get in touch with all the opposition parties, because that is also one of the possibility that the corporators which are newly elected are possibly to join the Uddhav Thackeray's party, or they can go with the opposition party, and that will also be a challenge for the Mahayuti. And Mahayuti, as we are seeing, has majority, but to cross the 114 number to become
absolutely,
the mayor,
and that is why the BJP needs the support of Shiv Sena Shinde faction. So it remains to be seen whether the BJP will agree to this 50-50 formula that has been suggested by Shiv Sena Shinde faction. Thank you so much, Rucha, for getting us all those details. And now moving